Morning, it's Saturday. We're back on the extension build that we're doing on weekends. Tim is just cutting some wall plates. We got this block work up last time. We've got the wall plates on, but what we're going to do is we're going to double them up because I didn't do it first time till we got these trusses, but it's looking pretty good on trusses, so we can take it up this little bit more, so we might as well just get it up there. So we're going to double the wall plates up and then I'll show you trusses and we'll put them on. In fact, there and there. I'll show you them in a minute. Let's get this wall plate on. Let's get this other plate on. Oh, it's got a big
yeah, flip it over way, mate.
put it that way. Right, I just want to measure this, make sure we're fully square, make it a bit easier to put the trusses on. Yeah.
Yeah, looks right there. Need one of that end, don't we?
Right, what I've done is I've marked these out. These at centre as trusses. Right, we'll get these banged on too.
You're looking a bit hot there, Mark.
Oh, it's warm. Bob it on like this. I'm too sexy for my car. Yeah. Got a bit of 90s on today. We're in Saturday. Sun's out. Here, look at my top. Thought I'd wind our lass up. See what she thought of this one. Only cost me a £5 off some dodgy internet site.
And now he's kind of regretting it because he didn't realise what material it was, did you, Mark?
I know, I wouldn't have bought it if I'd have known, like, but it was worth it to see it look on our lass's face. So we got all clips on. So these are trusses, look. See how they go up? It's got a flat bit there where it sits on wall plate. Then it's a vaulted ceiling inside. You just screw your plasterboard to that and you end up with that gap at the top. And these are what we're putting on. I haven't put these ones on before. We haven't been vaulted like that, which is looks strange to me because I haven't used them before. Right, anyway, let's get them up there. They hardly weigh anything, these, neither. They're like, you can lift them up with one hand easy. Should be easy going.
I like it.
Yep. Measure that.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, that's it, Tim.
You want to stick a nail in your hand and
Yeah.
go out of it?
Yeah? Yeah? Is it going to go that? No? Yeah. Oh. Right, we've got all the diagonals in, we're just going to put some straight ones in now. So we just, this is a problem we had with this lintel about the other day, and we were like wondering how to suss it out. Well, what we did is we put an extra 2x4 on, an extra wall plate, and then we've just flipped lintel because there's no weight on this, it's just door. So it ain't really going to matter. As you can see, it's pretty hot. It's about 10 to 3 and we're just going to do this and get off, I think, because
It's too hot
now, super hot. Just cut that little bit out for this. This is all going to be hidden in roof anyway, most of it, so it ain't really going to matter too much.
Switcheroo, are we? Ooh, here we go.
I've only got enough gobble anyway to get this on, so that'll do. Just got a couple of blocks to put that
back end.
We'll do that, and then I think we're going to leave probably. I don't want to come flush with this, so we might just do like a 60 overhang just to match house. I know house is more, but we're really struggling for height. If you look up there, you can see the height. Is this what you cut? And we've got enough to under that joist. Will that go? Nope. Break my trowel.
Yeah.
It's just pouring off me.
Yeah.
Can't see. Will that do it? Why are we in this bit now? Huh?
I don't know.
Oh, can we put this in a little cut? Put a little cut under here.
Yeah. There's a little cut somewhere.
Salt in my sweat's burning me.
So mate, he's sweating there. Welcome to my world, mate. You always moan at me when I'm sweating.
See if we've got a bit for that. Come on. Just found this cold floor.
And on that note, that's that.